keeping up with the Commodore, 'cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. In a world of fun and fantasy, and ever-changing news, and computer terminology, Commodore reviews. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. I'm more alive than ever before. Thanks to my Commodore 64. My friends are knocking down my door. They're getting to my Commodore 64.
It's mind-boggling. Commodore 64 lets you play hundreds more games than any video machine, plus draw, program, even do music.
I'm more alive than ever before. And my friends are knocking down my door. 'Cause now where is there so much more? We're into our Commodore 64.
Happy Christmas, kids.
Happy Christmas, Mom.
Hey everyone, look what I found!
Commodore's new computer compendium gives your family thousands of interesting and enjoyable things to do.
That's Adrian Moe.
Oh, great!
You can play exciting games like Adrian Moe.
Hooray! What are you doing, Dad?
Capturing the beauties of nature, son.
You can draw fabulous pictures. You can even play music. Rescue your family from boredom this Christmas with the Commodore Computer Compendium.
The Commodore 64 home computer has an unusually large memory. Remember? It also has all the peripherals you're ever likely to need. Monitors, plotters, printers, disk drives, and a vast range of software. Which means you'll get so much more enjoyment out of your home computer. The Commodore 64. Remember the enormous memory, but don't forget the peripherals and software.
I adore my 64, my Commodore 64. I cook with it, steam with it, educate and clean with it. My Commodore 64. I kiss with it, cat with it, count my 64, the hat with it. My Commodore 64.
64K memory at a price that will put a computer in every home, business, and school years before anyone ever dreamed.
I adore my 64.